Hello to you. My name is Jesse Johnson. This is Transcendent Eternal, Awakened Science, the highest science and demons of all sciences and demons. The word science means to know of, to have a method of gaining knowledge. The word demon, which is almost an equivalent to science, its original meaning is to know, to have knowledge of, a method for gaining knowledge. A jinn, J-I-N-N, a genie, a genius, a beneficial guiding spirit. This is what the word original meaning of the word demon means. Religion through the centuries have socially negativized one of the most beautiful words in every language on this earth. To begin, true transcendent eternal life has its origin in the non-verbal, ineffable direct reality, power, and supreme non-brain mind, non-body mind consciousness that pervades, transcends the actuality of the world, physical universe, and body mind of all, including humans, and includes utterly all actuality. There is no verbal mental argument that can convince anyone that there is this reality. This is why objective science or scientific materialism and mechanical technology fails to produce a socially advanced human culture. You do not know what anything is. We are not true knowing beings. Nothing is. It is also why all archaic, conventional, anti-life religions, theistic and non-theistic religious beliefs are inadequate and a false means of associating with divine reality itself. There must be direct, extreme intuition, trans experience of transcendental, inherent, true spiritual, necessarily divine reality itself. The process by which anyone can come to the point of this revelation of living reality itself is to confront the influence and or teachings of one who has true realized beyond body mind this revelation of ego self-transcending to the point of transformation. There is a consideration anyone can engage in this very moment that will provide a modest, intuitive awareness of reality itself, of which is impossible to convey in words. Actuality and its mechanics, dimensions, arise mysteriously and of ultimate mystery, even reality itself. First, put aside for a moment all, A-L-L, all of your knowledge of the total universe and yourself in total. Put aside all religious, scientific, all presumptions, beliefs, knowledge, all of it. Put it aside, of beginnings, ends, middles, of all things, places, infinity, of time, space, reference, of all, when it exists, where, what's, how's, why's, who's, and ifs. Put aside all mechanics, accidents, or miracles of a universe's beginning or evolved. put aside all of it for a moment, including eternity, all actuality, even reality itself. It is not when, where, who, what, why, if of this universe, actuality, and all there is not existence itself, non-existence itself, but that this universe, actuality, reality itself is the case at all. I want to thank everyone for listening and watching, and have a very fine first share this video, please, and have a good day.